Hello, this is Nicolas Larnier. Leah McDvee asked me to give you a short tour of my class content. So I will show you what I do with my students in MSA 540 and MSA 611. So let's go for the first. So basically, every week starts the same way with an announcement where I give them a short video with a short story to introduce my concept and my class content. So each week is the same. I tell good stories about many things in the sport industry. Then they can access to the content, and basically every week is built the same way. Let's go to week 0 to give you an example. So I start with the directions for the week. I use the section heading to do this. Then I provide them with a short video of a short presentation of the class content. And under the presentation of the class content, I give them the PowerPoint that I used when I use a PowerPoint. Then for the activities, I have either a Dropbox or a discussion forum. Here was the material that I wanted to give them, so the resources, presentation of the syllabus and the outline, and you see here my PowerPoints. You know, I use a PDF format because that's easier for them to download, and it's not as heavy. So, and then for the syllabus, I ask them to I give them a little quiz to test their knowledge before we start the semester. So let's go back to presentation of a week. Let's take the last week. So you see same setting. I start with the general directions for the week. Then I present the class content with a video of myself presenting a PowerPoint. They can access to the PowerPoint with that little PDF. Then I give them some resources for the week. So here are some books, articles, and some handouts that they could print. Then the applications. Here there was a student journal and then an application, what's the future of doping. I ask them to work in groups, so I give them the direction for the assignment. And here are the discussion forums where they're gonna post their work, and then they will be able to reply to their classmates. Alright, I think I talked enough about that course. Just to show you a little bit about the other course, as you can see, I do the exact same thing. The structure stays the same. I start with the announcement with a short video and short description of a short introduction of the class content. Then if you click on content, one theme equal 1 week for me. So let's say week 3 we talked about negligence. I use the section heading once again, present a short video with my PowerPoint, then they can access the PowerPoint right here. Application 1 is a case brief. Application 2 was talking about the Mike Leach versus Texas Tech. It was something about actuality. So for the case briefs, they are divided in groups, 6 groups. They can post their work and then discuss with other students. For the midterm, I ask them to work in groups, which is not easy, but it's okay because I gave them extended deadlines. They knew 7 weeks in advance before their midterm, so they can be organized, and I promote the use of new technologies to help the discussions in groups. What I call new technologies, it's using Skype. You see, for example, here I present them videos on how to use Skype and how to use it to work in groups. I also give them some space to work in groups, so you see little workshops here to work on their projects. All the directions and the criteria of evaluations are detailed, and basically that's it. Another thing that I wanted to mention is that at the beginning of the year I open a student lounge where they can post all their questions. I think that's very helpful, and a lot of students gave me a very positive feedback about this student lounge, so I would encourage everybody to create one to teach online. Thank you very much for listening to me and watching that video, and have a nice day. Bye.